Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome to level 1 of Three Little Birds. It looks like this. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry. The benefits to this is we are working on our finger picking. We're gonna do some string muting with our plucking hand and our fretting hand. And we're going to learn the arrangement for this keyboard part. So let's dive right into it. To start, we have our A chord, and there's many different ways to play the A chord. There's this way, this way, this way, and this way. I'd recommend that you don't play it this way because we're going to be using open strings for this riff. Now, my favorite way to play it is this way because it gives me room to squeeze in my first and my second finger right here. But whatever A chord works for you will work for you. So to start, we're going to play the A string with the thumb, and then we're going to pluck the D, G, and B strings like this. So you're going to take your fingers that we traditionally assign to these strings, and you're going to move them down a set of strings here. And then to mute, with our plucking hand, we're just going to do this, and put the fingers back on the strings. So just try this with me. A few more times. Last time. So now let's work on the second beat. We just got done muting the A chord. So now our middle finger is prepped to play the second fret on the G string. We're going to lift up whatever finger is on the B string and play that with our ring finger. Then we're going to go back to the second fret on the G with the middle. And then I recommend that you use your ring finger to hop over to the high E string to play that string. So let's take just this part and let's play it very slowly, like this. And we're practicing our finger picking. And I mean being able to switch that ring finger from playing the high E to being able to play the B string. And having that fluidity can be really helpful when doing more riffs that have finger picking arrangements. Last time. So now let's do the same thing, except let's start from the beginning. 1, E, ready, go. 1, E, and 2, E. Let's do it again. 1, E, and 2, E, and again. 1, E, and 2, E, and last time. 1, E, and 2, E, and Now what you'll notice is that on the third beat, it's exactly the same as the first beat, which we just practiced. So now the only thing we have left is this part. So this part looks like this. 3, E, and 4, E, and So let's just do this part over and over again. Here we go. 3, E, and 4, E, and again. 3, E, and 4, E, and again. 3, E, and 4, E, and last time. 3, E, and 4, E, and So now let's put the whole thing together. 1, E, ready, go. 1, E, and 2, E, A, 3, E, and A, 4, E, and again, 1, E, and A, 2, E, and A, 3, E, and A, 4, E, and A. So now we're going to the D chord, and it's basically just a boom chuck, but we're adding the string muting in there. So just try this with me very slow, like that. Let's just do it over and over again. A few more times. Last time. So now let's transition going from D back to A. So it'll look like this. And then from here, we transition back into the same riff that we played earlier, which we can work on in the practice video. This was level 1 of the riff for Three Little Birds, and I'll see you in the practice video.